I need thee every hour, most great. Sabe, jiwa o so nasa siwa o wenyu nyamashe osuruni asasi mesi wenyu nyamashe wenyu nyamashe osuruni asasi ma menyaji mbri nyina de mehia wo ne poye wo fi a yen hia ye wi de akopona as bebrede through this media yetu mehia na yetutu ye hofo na yezi ye ho komo mejize wo mpomie na mafio mmede wo so afim mimna afi enuanme afi aso de ebehia igudu ye bompa ese akopona de mbepam no nakasa bedu no wazi yetu mehia yim na enyim yakasa yetu komo enda so miyo kasa nenda mafutunisi just one small mistake. Just one small mistake. Mafutin there. Try there about avoid mistakes in your life. Being human beings, we make mistakes. And mistakes seem to be assured in our lives. It is like mistakes as if we unconsciously do. Yes, what can I do? It's human. It be biara afu. A mistake in a wrong action attributable to bad judgment, ignorance, or inattention. From the biya honor me day, and Susan's be Andrew ye. Anebu wadwungudu azibido anam wadwuna kwa azibido ye nti ayedem I'm of a mistake. Mistakes are a common practice among humans. It is like all people make mistakes. Obi bia yemfun. Na some are intentional. It is intentional. Yes, that. If you are your purpose be part, you actually done a mistake. And some are unconsciously done. Be more and said Allah and and they said that some mistakes are blessings in disguise. Yet today, what's a mistake you are or you're in shape? Yeah, what dodge and see a mistake you are literally in shira. Be our boy, your man one time. Obey a pain, no, only baby and a banana pain, so we take it there. That mistake was a blessing. Your ties Judas, no, so example. The Judas saying, ye Christ are man, and ye mistake his Christ are man. No, this does not make mistakes right. In ye ma, from Mondo, and ye as a papa. Or what they condo, nay. Some small mistakes have big time effects. From look at things you are or super. It doesn't mean that you will not suffer for it. Even say, mistake na in show it to cry on cheddar, on cheddar, obi biazuna, or benefit from every mistake your baby. No. Sometimes, some mistakes affect no one. Sometimes any mistake you are affect to be. Sometimes mistakes you are it affects only the causer. Obi or yeah mistake within a short time you know free. Sometimes mistakes you are affect obi or yeah forever in his or her life. Na babo nyina. Sometimes mistake you yeah or affect others. Oh obi nom If you how be in there. Sometimes the hard couple to me say, I could be at that time a mistake no crowd knowing you want to cry. You should be shady. A mistake like divorce. But Kawamba, I can't want na. So the mistake will disable in a life. Cry forever. So mistakes know how you can correct it or reverse it easily without any cost or little cost. So mistake you are able to my done and why papa and Bokobia on Hobia. But be reminded, the mistake you also it cannot be corrected or reversed easily without heavy cost. And so cannot be reversed or corrected at all. So mistake you are I ye on ye our brabum. So mistakes can end your life and end it forever. Especially this COVID-19 era. So mistakes are unpardonable, unpleasant, and expensive. And what this yabam bring woman coronavirus time. So mistakes be 100 of it. Eh yeah, the boom ankasan why too late. Eh mistake my the virus you so but you can cry as a teen, the one watching one win easy. And look at the number of people dying. What shows the old and a one on a back one won't go on. Now we better apple, the better apple in bread brand son at apple. It's this a main mistake of looking at an appearance to judge the me pay you been to me banana to free. Mosolumu, me share nose marks, me chin bomb, me chien. May you the mistake be this time that maybe I'm a woman and that woman somewhere obey done. These mistakes are expensive this time. May you mistake that live normal life in abnormal times like this. That bob the member you with me one bob brother my dada. Don't make that mistake. We can minimize or avoid mistakes in our lives as much as possible. You go to mistakes be wa ye fi wa na ya mokofom kra and painful say let us say edua anansi eti ewu no ne ba inti sukuma ent na se ntonkum edua anansi atu bi ezi ewu no ne ba inti sukuma ent na se ntonkum no no fit learn from someone's mistakes. Don't let another person learn from your mistake. Mobi yan fomete awusu nyansa wom. Na mama da obe mistake no. No be busia efi owu mistake no. Abraham no ye Sarah wonwo. Sarah ye mistake. No say Hagar oya na akwada ma Abraham. Na Abraham so ye mistake then so oji Musa na nanwa ji ho da. No so. Oyin no way. Onya kwatwe oba Abraham ifie Abraham na so man twen awo ne fie. Mo no for say avoid the mistake of extra marital engagement. The our na as for me be for friend be say for wo kuna na we how wide it is no excuse there it's be for nature or a big mistake you will pay for it. No mo nyan worry. Don't make that mistake of starting any relationship. Or bro, when we're in time, don't mind me about bado. Na akoto ado da bo abanyan. Don't make that mistake. Abraham, ye mistake be. The man Isaac said the same mistake no there. O say ne ye na sister. O say no so there. The hof bia na obokun na waji ne nzi. If God didn't intervene, they would have risked their wives, risked their marriages, and risked their families. So you go and be man into what you warrior no, or say 1 hour, and you will say nebusios. One of it avoid any mistake biara, obeying danger or partner, and obeying danger or from obeying danger or obeying danger in life, obey saving Abraham as much as possible. Not put you there. Let us avoid those mistakes. Solomon ever realize for no shasi. If you know some pound, avoid that mistake of what they about what will be on ye Christo ye. Do be on ye, or be a answer than done. but always can I be the main thing. Avoid that mistake there, but will be on impression. Avoid that mistake there, but want someone to spite another person. I wonder, these have unpardonable results. Mistakes what's the movie for the team? This is something yet. And to me, you shame me for the team. Me saw there, may you the mistake, no. And now I found to hold beer. Ego to me, and now reverse as and which way. Samson revealing the secret. At the tray. Oba. Be an house no war, and will lose in life. I'm a foot in your way. Avoid mistaking there, can secret share anyone you meet, or maybe a sherry beer and a blue one, not cassa. Come on, some action in you. Even your best friend, and Master so when you're condemned by your time for watching, when the man catch it and done, or the ordinary human child. So don't give people information they don't need. Remember of information that you don't have any apparent reason. In your sense, people don't share your private information for no reason. You don't feel it. For your mistake, you may and you cannot revise or correct it. It's a fear mistake, it be saying. Now for one more, don't make that mistake to ask anything from God. We know the free team. Say, able to me, I minimize na and I avoid mistakes. And ye mistakes at an air to live here, Braboma. Bio, young Bompay. Over the decisions that we make, I drink beer about Fano for comparable. Say, open one year, son, as I say. Think twice. Can I sit beer and way being a neighbor? Visualize the result. Try to share as if I ye no so sound by your done. Na Jibin so I been take the views of others. You were experts. You were one as if you never you was sassy, you'll be a bido. Be a bidder. Jibin I don't share. Na don't rush in life. Make to turn the car a wabra. Your humans there take time to be holy. Talk with your concron. Then you let us take our time in life. Don't rush in making decisions. And especially when you are angry. Don't make the mistake to make any decision and implement your decision when you are angry. Is that's the main case of your order. Since I was not count away into whom is uncle way. Me, baby, I'm not afraid saying. Be aware and avoid small mistakes. Moy and the then you so from no kaka ye ni fi wa brabom. Because some have imaginable consequences or so that adwumo ehun. Be afraid that they commit little mistakes. So they be yan fundo. Because some mistakes can cause our lives forever. Hide I know it's always and will always be at last. Muhuniyanche, bring you now, okay. Don't learn too late. Don't let someone learn from your mistakes. Rather, let another person learn from your mistake. Memo be nsuya, if you are one from wrong, no from correct no. Mum see I will tell no be an ausian. And the pay as I make a choice there. Avoid mistakes as much as possible. That maybe to be biara. Just try the anchor young from do. And never young from the year wabrabo. If he is Casamu, if I am a bubiahum or bokofu. Young position on con. In the Bishia, I will be put. Amen. I need thee,